Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we have our 2008 Chevy Aveo, and I'll show you how to replace engine air filter on your car. So you can do it at your home. It's pretty easy. So here is your engine air filter. To open this up you need a screwdriver. First you have to loosen this clamp. Once it's loose you can push it back, right? And we have to open this screw. 1, 2, 3 and 4 is on the other side here. 4. So you have to open this one up. So let's do it. So after removing all 4 screw you can push that thing back, or you can just lift this thing up like this, and you can move this one out. Or if you don't want to take it out, you can lift like this and change it. But let me show you. So once you take it out, you can lift your filter like this and see it's pretty bad here. So you should change the engine air filter every 20,000 kilometers or 30,000 kilometers, depend on the area. If it's too dirty or too smoky area, then you have to replace it soon. Otherwise it can go 20 to 30 kilometers, 20 to 30k kilometers. So we are replacing it with this one. It's a premium. The brand name is called a premium. So they are good for 20 to 30k. We don't have too much dust in our area, so it can go easily. So before putting, make sure the size is same. So as you can see, we have a same size, so you can see the difference. So put this will go like this, and then you have to put that thing back. You have to push it a little bit and it will fit. And so make sure it fits properly. You have to jiggle it a little bit to fit it properly. So that's how you have to replace your engine air filter. And yeah, there are some symptoms of bad engine air filter, such as like more fuel consumption, less pickup of your car. So make sure you check every time. Whenever you do oil change, just check the condition of your filter. If it's dirty, just change it. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good one.